the database mistake that crashes serverless applications as soon as they get the first traffic spike. I'm Ritvik, a 20-year-old building a SaaS business called Business, and today is day 28. Most developers, when they need to start building an application, need a database. They start with something traditional SQL such as Postgres or MySQL. Traditional SQLs are fantastic for complex queries, relational data, and etc. But if you're building a serverless application on AWS and you use things such as Lambda, then traditional SQLs have a major issue, which is connection pooling. Every time an AWS Lambda spins up, it creates a brand new database connection. Now, for example, let's say you have 1,000 concurrent users on your application. That means AWS Lambda will spin up 1,000 times for each concurrent user. And these many users will overwhelm the SQL database and it will crash. And that's why most of the time serverless applications are usually paired up with no SQL databases, such as DynamoDB. And unlike traditional SQL databases, NoSQL databases actually use HTTP APIs instead, which is much faster for scaling based on the number of users. And when there's no users, costs can stay at zero. Here is a quick rule of thumb for you to remember by. NoSQL databases such as DynamoDB are good for fast, live serverless applications. But there is a drawback. You can only do small queries such as key value pairs and etc. And for complex querying, complex data relationships between tables and etc., this is where you use a traditional SQL like MySQL and etc. Since Business was a serverless application, I obviously chose a NoSQL database. And for my NoSQL database, I chose DynamoDB. So are you a NoSQL database person or a SQL database? Let me know in the comment section below.